The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzmans.
Hey everybody, welcome back here on Good Day Kansas. We continue from Stutzmans today. We're at their Tyler location talking about manager specials with the one, the only, Ben Miller. Thanks for being with us today. We appreciate it.
You know, this is a promo that we've done for quite a number of years and have a lot of fun with it.
Yeah.
Because we literally leave it to the managers as to what they would like to do. You know, they'll run it by me with an idea, and it might be something that everything of a certain color is a sale item.
Okay.
Or a specific type of plant is a sale product. And so it's just a fun thing that you know, they can play with their inventory and things like that. But kind of in preparation for what's coming on in the summer months coming up. But it's just a fun thing, you know, anything from hanging baskets to planters, patio planters, or plant material that you want to put in patio planters. Just really have fun with it.
You like when those managers embrace the creativity.
You know, I do. I do. My greatest satisfaction is to see our people take ownership of their stores and work with them in that light. It just really builds a camaraderie, you know, one for the company, but also with their staff. Because they have fun, you know. The more that you can have your people take ownership and it is their displays, it's exciting.
I think this is a great reminder too for our viewers, especially if you're in Wichita or some areas that have several Stutzmans locations. I feel like each one, we've been so lucky to visit so many, each one has their own personality.
They do.
And each one, especially for the next week to come out to, each one's going to have a different special, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, so there's reason to come to several different Stutzmans.
Yeah, it's a, you know, in Sedgwick County, of course, we're Derby, Andover, and 21st and Webb at Cambridge Market, here at Tyler, but all over the state where we are, you know, from Salina to Dodge City, each manager has kind of their thing that they would like to do.
Yeah, and this is also just a great time for people to come on out. I feel like every Stutzmans looks so beautiful right now.
You know, one thing that I find amazing is as we transition into summer, we go past, you know, plant material that may look a little bit tired because it wasn't taken care of, which our staff just really does an amazing job in lieu of some of the weather that we've had. But we'll have new summer stuff coming in with a lot more color yet, and it's just a beautiful time of year.
So lucky to be able to come out to Stutzmans every single Wednesday with Good Day Kansas. How can people get more information about Stutzmans?
You know, you can always go to Stutzmans.com or go to questions@Stutzmans.com, which puts you directly in touch with Jason French, who does the Stutzmans Home and Garden shows every Saturday morning.
Thanks so much for being with us today, Ben. We appreciate it. We have more of the show coming up next.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzmans.
It's been so wonderful to receive the much-needed rain and watch our landscapes flourish this spring. Hi, this is Ben Miller. On behalf of all of us at Stutzmans, I want to thank everyone who has shared our passion and the healthy lifestyle of gardening with us. Be sure to visit our garden centers, as each location will be featuring an in-store manager special of their choice. We'll see you at one of our 12 garden centers in central and western Kansas. Find us on Facebook and Stutzmans.com. Happy savings!